Hey guys, we are first years of BCom Department of Christ and my name is Jayanti, and today we're going to cover the topic of compound interest. First of all, what is interest? Interest is the money you owe when you borrow or receive while lending. And there are two types of interest, simple interest and compound interest. So what is compound interest? Compound interest is the interest you earn on interest. To make it simple, imagine you have 100 rupees in hand and you lend it at 5% interest. So by the end of first year, you'll get 105 rupees, and by the end of second year, you'll get at least 110.25 rupees. So an additional 0.25 rupees is added to the initial 5 rupees interest. So this is how compound interest works. You may think that the 0.25 rupees is a feeble amount, but it will add up over time.
My name is Ashwin Ragesh. I'm from 1 BComB. I'm going to talk about the significance of compound interest and how to calculate it. Compound interest causes your wealth to grow faster. It makes a sum of money grow at a faster rate than simple interest because you will earn returns on the money you invest as well as on the returns at the end of every compounding period. This means that you don't have to put away as much as money to reach your goals. The formula to calculate compound interest is A is equal to P into 1 plus R by N into NT, where A is equal to amount, P is equal to principal, R is equal to rate of interest, N is equal to number of times interest is compounded per year, T is equal to time in years. Alternatively, we can write the formula as given below. Ci is equal to A minus P and Ci is equal to P into 1 plus R by N into NT minus P. This formula is also called periodic compounding formula. Here, A represents the new principal sum or the total amount of money after compounding period. R represents the original amount or initial amount. R is the annual rate interest. N represents the compounding frequency or the number of times interest is compounded in a year. T represents the number of years. It is to be noted that the above formula is the generic formula for the number of times the principal is compounded in a year. If the interest is compounded annually, the amount is given as A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 into T.
My name is Mikhail George Kaldawailil. Compound interest. So the question is, I have to calculate the compound interest on 4,000 rupees in 2 years at 10% interest per annum. The formula is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to N, where P is principal amount, R is the rate, N is the time. So we've substituted 4,000 for principal interest, 1 plus R by 100, which is R is 10%, is the rate, and N is 2, which is the time, 2 years. We've done 4,000 into 11 by 10, which is because 1 cancel, and 1 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 11 by 10. 11 by 10, the whole square is equal to 4,000 into 11 square is 212 by 100, 1.21, so 4,000. So 121 into 4, which is 484, and 2 zeros go 1 0, 4,840.